Alex?
Can I ask you an additional question?
Yeah.
Which indicates you weren't afraid of feeling.
That's right. I wasn't afraid of
Was
feeling.
this a quality God gave to you or you developed?
You could say it was a quality I was free to develop.
Okay.
Yeah.
Because of not getting the inheritance of your parents.
The inherited sin from my parents, yeah. Many of you don't realise that, but the major inherited sin from your parents is the feeling that you can't cope with your feelings.
Can you say that again?
One of the major inherited sins from your parents is the feeling that you can't handle your feelings. You can't cope with them. That's a huge sin that gets handed down from generation to generation, and I didn't have it.
Where does braveness come into this?
Sorry, where does...
Braveness?
Courage and bravery are qualities I feel that happen... The more of a relationship with God I had, the less worried I was about my person. I came to have, and once I became a one with God, obviously that was the truth, but even before then, I came to have the feeling that God loves me, God cares about me, I know I have a spirit body, I know I have a spirit life. People can kill my body, but it's not going to stop my life. Right? So, can you see, like, to me, truth enables bravery.
And it's also information you had.
Yeah. You see, the main reason why we're afraid is because we don't know the truth, right? And so the main reason why the average person on earth is afraid of dying, for example, is because they don't know the truth of what's afterwards. Because if you knew the truth and you actually felt the truth of what's afterwards, you wouldn't be so afraid of it, right? You wouldn't purposefully do it because you knew that would be an act of will against your body. But if it happens, you're not going to go, oh, isn't it terrible? Most of you don't realise that for many people who pass, there's not even any pain in the process. Often the worst experiences on earth is the pain you have leading to your death.
Resisting death.
You know, like cancers and other diseases like that eat your body away, which are actually a lot about what's happening emotionally to yourself. These forms of death are far more painful than actually dying.
Wouldn't you say that resistance is the actual pain you have? I mean, not the actual pain, but it's more painful.
But all resistance is caused by fear, and all fears are based on untruths. So fundamentally, it's because we don't know or feel the truth that these things happen. Yeah.